Hello everyone. In this video, I want to introduce you to a brand new project on the Binance Smart Chain called MintStakeShare. If you are familiar with Drip Network, then this platform will ring a bell. MintStakeShare has been called the new Drip, as it also allows you to earn daily returns of 1%, or even 2% if you choose to compound your daily earnings. The protocol is created by a well-known team that created the popular BOM protocol. MintStakeShare just launched, with only 150 users, so this is a unique opportunity to get in. You can either mint new tokens right from the website, or buy tokens on PancakeSwap, and the process is straightforward. The token price fluctuates, depending on the market conditions, so check the price on the homepage first to see which option is most interesting. I bought my tokens right from the website, as the price was lower than on PancakeSwap. Just enter the amount of BNB in the Mint Now field and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once your tokens have been minted, you can stake them in the staking pool and earn 1% daily, or 2% if you compound your earnings. Keep in mind that there is a 3% buy fee and a 9% sell fee associated with minting to support the system. Just like with Drip and other return on investment dApps, you cannot take out your initial investment, but based on these returns, it will take approximately 100 days to get back your investment. The token price increases when a certain amount of tokens have been minted, so it's a good idea to get in early. MintStakeShare also has a unique referral program to reward users for bringing in new investors. You will find your referral link on the share page, and if you want a shorter link to promote, then you can do that by clicking this button. If you need more information about the payouts, taxes, and referral system, you can find all the details in the documents section. MintStakeShare is a promising new project with a solid team and significant potential for growth. If you're interested in joining, please feel free to use my referral link to get started. Just remember that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project, and never use money that you can't afford to lose. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest videos first.